What's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is Rookie Cop Gets Crushed by High Speed Pit. So let's get into the video, man. Let's see what they're talking about here.
Georgia state troopers found a reportedly stolen truck after license plate readers detected the vehicle. Reports indicate troopers encountered the truck 2 times earlier that day before this third pursuit initiated.
477, I'm right behind them. Collins Hill Road, Collins Glen Circuit. As far as I know, he's 1080 because he's still giving it all he's got.
Troopers requested assistance from the Lawrenceville Police Department. This cruiser, which housed a recruit in the passenger seat, began to make their way towards the scene.
All right, 477, take a breath and just tell us where you are.
I'm driving south on Collins Hill Road.
Okay, you're near Chandler. Give us some cross streets now. You're coming toward Lawrenceville.
Taylor Road northwest for Cross Street. We're going under a green light for Taylor Road. Clear, 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 clear.
Lawrenceville PD, you're coming down, copy.
He just ran the red light at Camden Creek.
Another trooper joins the call and drives towards the suspect.
All right, going around him, going around him. Staying on him, staying on him. Clear, clear. He just ran another red light. We're coming up on Wildcat Lake Drive.
He is 1080. He's 1080.
10-4, yes, 10-10, 4 1080. I will put that video in a 99 vehicle.
Come on, Nate, you got this.
All right, when they need to advise to the Lawrenceville, heading toward Lawrenceville. He's been 1080 for about a minute and a half.
10-4 clear.
Going through the red light at Russell Road.
Hey, look, I'm coming on 20.
Come on, stick with it. There you go. We're driving in the center lane, still on Collins Hill, coming up on Crystal River Drive.
All right, any news to the south that he's going to be coming down to 316. I'm taking 316.
So I'm assuming he's got a partner. The rookie is the one that's driving.
He's headed to the Loop Highway.
He's like, come on, Nate. So, the rookie Nate. If the rookie driving, he is supposed to be driving, man. He almost lost it there for a little bit, but he got back on track. Good.
Everyone's launching. We'll be with you shortly. Everyone, are you on GSP channel? You're not. I just want to confirm you're on GSP. You're in District 5, but I'll go back to our channel. I'll come up call almost here. Be on GSP channel right now.
Come on, baby, let's get him.
All right, 477, where are you?
We're going over 316, still on Collins Hill.
This visual reveals 2 other vehicles joined the pursuit at some point. This trooper turns around and joins them, making a total of 4 cruisers in pursuit.
Green light, clear, clear.
477, slow down. There's a roundabout up there.
10-4, we both slow down.
Alright, go down. We're Northdale Road. About Lawrence, we're coming into the square.
The pursuit heads toward the densely crowded town square. Devastating civilian fatalities may occur if the pursuit isn't ended soon.
10-4.
7690 still on the loop highway. I'm coming.
We got an update on the location and any felonies.
We're going through the second roundabout. We're staying straight on the roundabout.
Alright, 407, just drive. Let me call it. If you get a chance to hit him, spin him out. We gotta stop this. They're coming into a lot of traffic.
10-4.
10 to 323, we're only blocking intersections. We cannot participate because meet criteria.
Understood.
Body cam footage shows the Lawrenceville officer and his recruit are aware of the pursuit, but hints they are not in direct contact with Georgia State Troopers. This appears to cause miscommunications about commands and the pursuit's exact location.
Alright, now I'm coming up on him, about to pit. Come on, baby.
Get him there.
Alright, get fire route, get Lawrenceville route.
We got
Where you at? North Clayton. Possibly coded.
Holy shit. What? Whoa. A different police department? Oh my God.
Cam footage shows the Lawrenceville officer and his recruit are aware of the pursuit, but hints they are not in direct contact with Georgia State Troopers. This appears to cause miscommunications about commands and the pursuit's exact location.
Alright, now I'm coming up on him, about to pit.
What are the chances of that?
Come on, baby.
Get him there.
Watching that is so crazy.
1050. Alright, get fire route, get Lawrenceville route.
We got
Where you at? North Clayton. Possibly coding. Are you okay? I don't know. It's okay. It's okay. Get out of the car. Get your hand up. Get out of the car. Help me out. I'm good.
Both hands! I don't give a crap! Reach up! Reach up, boy! Reach up!
Rated. Largely units are code 4. Felony takedown. You okay? I don't know. Come back here. I got you. You're okay.
Climb out!
I'm out with him.
It's okay.
My face hurts.
It's okay.
My face
It's
hurts
okay.
and my wrist hurts.
It's okay. Come back over here.
Nathan, are you okay?
I'm good.
Alright.
Stay with these folks. He's a Lawrenceville recruit. Please keep him safe, okay? Oh, Lord, thank you for keeping me safe. Woo! BJ, I'm on you, brother.
Good?
I'm good.
You run into you, hit your head up?
This is so crazy, man. That guy is a piece of crap, man. I don't know why guys run. Most people that run like especially in a car, in a big old truck, like you ain't even got no fast like race car or nothing. In a big truck like that, you not going nowhere. Like it's quiet for that. Like that is, and you just cause so much trouble, man. But what are the coincidences of that, of them being at the exact location, two different police departments, like, and him deciding to pit him right there? Like that is just, that's crap luck, man. That is just the chances of that happening is not high. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, they know the pursuit's going on, this and that, but what are the chances of him deciding to pit him right there and spin him? Like, wow, man. And then imagine you're the vehicle that the Lawrence Police Department that's driving, and you see the truck speeding at you at, oh man, at that rate, I would be like, whoo. It's like your life is flashing between your eyes. Like,
fuck yeah, he hit me. Do you have a shield? Shield! Mikey, we need a shield. Hey, how's crossfire? Hey, y'all step back! Get out of the crossfire!
Nate, I'm stuck inside, Corp. I can't open the door. That's why I'm stuck.
You good?
I'm good. You need a glass breaker?
Yeah, we're trying to get one.
There.
Am I bleeding on my face? Yeah, you got a little bit.
Hey, brother. How you doing? I'm all right. Pride's hurt.
Sure, you alright? Okay. I don't know what his speed was. They crested that hill. I saw him. I tried to lock up.
We're in his vehicle. We're trying to get him out. Trying to get his out. Stand by. Cruiser, you alright?
I'm good.
Sit down.
Get out of the fight. Hey, my guy's in that building.
Just go sit with him. You're out of the fight right here.
Hey, y'all got a Halligan? Yeah. They need a Halligan.
Are you good?
I did. He's in that building.
Is he alright?
Hey, he's walking.
Is that you?
Yeah, this is me.
Alright, so we ain't worried about him. We're going to take care of you. He created his own mess.
I'm fine. Find my guy.
Yeah, let me.
He's in this building. Are you okay?
I can't hear much out of my right ear. Right side of my face is hurting.
I will get a paramedic too.
Are you okay?
What did he do?
The GSP was chasing a stolen car, and they wrecked into our vehicle.
Are you?
Well,
are you
do you
okay?
want ice and stuff?
I'm fine.
Two officers. What are you doing?
Treat him.
This guy right
Treat
here.
him.
The one that's pointing, I'm the one to grab you in the back of your van. Can you check him? He was part of the accident. He's got blood coming from his hands. I got arms and stuff like that.
He's hurt as well. He's going to the port.
and that's exactly how it goes. And honestly, that's how it should go. I mean, the officers should get checked first, because the suspect, you caused all of this. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're gonna get to you later. You know what I'm saying? This is all happening. My officers is hurting everybody because of you. So yeah, you get treated last.
I'm fine.
Are you good?
I'm fine. I'm fine. It's a dangerous job.
Still want to do it though.
What happened? We were gonna hold intersections. We're trying to find out where they were. I had my lights and siren on, not speeding, and he got us right there.
They pitted in front of you? They pitted into you?
Somebody was going sideways.
We pulled him out first, and I grabbed him by the vest. It was like freaking Vietnam, pulling him away from the battle scene. Trying not to pull him across the pavement, but it was better than the alternative, looking face to face with the bad guy.
Dude, I just got that car 2 weeks ago too.
Did you say welcome to law enforcement?
Yeah. Hey man,
Welcome to law enforcement.
it's a dangerous job if I didn't already tell you.
Yeah.
What you need to do is you need to go into the hospital and let them at least check it, x-ray that arm.
Sir, I don't know if you know this. I got a canine interview. I ain't missing at 3.
They will reschedule that.
Nope. I ain't missing it. Oh, dude, my weed scale broke, man.
Yes, man. So he pitted him and y'all drove into the pit.
Review my camera to see what happened. All I saw was a burgundy truck coming sideways at me.
What the trooper's saying is he pitted him on the hill and you guys were coming this
He was
way
going
and never
sideways
knew
at the
what was
crest.
coming. Wow. It's good. It's a good decision. I mean, I hate it happened to you guys, but I'm
glad it didn't happen there.
Yeah.
With a bunch of civilians. Cool score now.
Oh, no!
What?
They go on 80.
No!
Say cake or something?
No!
Your kid?
No! Fucking suit. I got an interview today.
Leave it in your car. We're taking you up to the hospital, get checked out. Leave it in your car.
He's a new recruit. Today's the second day.
Hopefully he comes back tomorrow. What can I do to help you?
Well, I'm really...
Get your suit and put it in my car.
Can you grab it? Mikey told me to leave it. Grab it for me. Grab it for me.
Thank you for the help.
Yeah, no worries. I worked here at Lawrenceville for 11 years.
That's what I heard.
I knew this area pretty well, and I totally forgot about those roundabouts.
Yeah.
This was a straight, boom.
Yeah, it used to be old Shantytown, all that kind of
Yeah,
stuff.
and I came there, I'm like, I was getting squirrely. I'm just glad he got him before he got the square.
Yeah, it definitely would have been much worse.
Make sure we're taking all the charges on this guy.
Yeah, we are.
The recruit involved in the crash is now an officer for the Lawrenceville Police Department, living up to his own dedication to the force. The officer driving with him, who was very concerned about his interview to become a K-9 officer, also achieved his goals by becoming a K-9 officer for the department shortly after. The suspect faced 1 count of theft by receiving stolen property, 1 count of fleeing law enforcement for a felony offense.
Scumbag, man. This guy is a straight scumbag on the screen, man. Hey, not me, the other guy. But yeah, I'm just saying, of course you gonna get that K-9 job, especially after they review all the body cam footage and the camera footage coming out, and saying that you were willing to risk your own injuries or whatever, not to go get checked out, to go make the interview and show the department that I really want to be a K-9 officer. Man, of course you got it, and salute to that recruit, man, who's now an officer, man. Good job. You know what I'm saying? It sucks he got smashed up into, but it could have been, that could have been a crazy wreck, boy.
Offense and 1 count of reckless driving. He likely pled not guilty at first due to spending over a year in jail awaiting trial. In May 2024, he changed his plea to nolo contendere on 2 charges, meaning he would accept conviction without admitting guilt. For his theft charge, he was adjudicated guilty. For all 3 charges, he was sentenced to 1 year in prison and 5 years of probation. However, 380 days of jail credit was applied, so his prison term was already served at his sentencing. If he abides by the rules, he is set to complete probation in
all of this for a jail and prison, or a year in prison. Man, this system is fucked, man. I ain't gonna lie. That is. Do you see the wreckage? Do you see what this guy just caused? And you get a year? A year? That's it? Get the fuck out of here, man.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.